Crown chakra, amethyst, protection energy. It's interesting because red, violet and purple are a protection energy, as well as for insights, your third eye, crown, spiritual expansion, connecting with your guides. What answers are you seeking? Are you open to receiving the answers, the images, the signs, the nudges in how they come to you, rather than deciding or choosing what kinds of confirmation and validation that you are willing to see? I know it's kind of weird because we expect answers, nudges, to happen, to show up in ways that we are familiar with or can easily recognize. So, how about asking your guides, whomever they are, to show you the signs, the images, the nudges through songs, through books, through conversation, in ways that you easily understand and recognize? And then be open to it, beautiful soul, in however that shows up for you, because your conscious mind is only capable of recognizing things that it has already seen, already acknowledged, already encountered and experienced. And yet, the answers, the confirmation, the next step nudges come in so many different ways. And it is our responsibility to be open to however it comes up, shows up. Black tourmaline, shielding you from negative energy, absorbs negative energy, gives a clearing, a sense of clarity in your conscious mind thoughts, so that you can more easily see, hear, feel, sense what your guides are telling you, showing you through your crown chakra and your spiritual life energy. Clear quartz magnifies the energies. It is also a protection stone. So clarifying, let's see, what else are you trying to tell me? The magnification of the positiveness in your life right now, while the black tourmaline then helps to dissolve and eliminate any negativity. And the amethyst, it's really about connecting with your inner intuitive self, your higher self, and your guides. So be aware, be mindful. It doesn't have to be obsessive, just ask and then be open to receive. And if what you're getting, you're not sure that it is really coming from your guides or spirit, same thing, then ask them, or he or she, to show you, to tell you in a way that is different and more easily recognized and understood. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul.